Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today once again I am doing twinning with Erica at Little Ohana's Nursery. If you haven't seen her channel, drop by. There will be a link in the description below. And when she saw that I had Wellie wishers, she had asked me to do a collab with her, which I did. I made these little outfits and I was disappointed with them at first. I have the top. What I had done was I cut two yokes out for the dress, but one was supposed to be the liner. This was supposed to be the outside, but when I changed my mind on lining them, I just grabbed one and went. It's still cute though. Once I got the red bows on, I was happy with it. Before then, I did not like it at all. Thank you so much, Erica. This is really fun. Be sure and go by Erica's channel and see Mayami in her little outfit today. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.